Welcome to 1839 Nordane Drive, a beautiful 3-bedroom semi-detached home with 3 washrooms situated on a quiet court within the desirable Highbush neighbourhood of West Pickering. Interlocking lining the side of the driveway wraps around the east side of the home into the backyard, and the glass-panelled entry door, sidelights and transom of the south-facing stone portico allow bright natural light to flood into the front foyer. Just 4 years old and immaculately maintained, this home showcases a bright yet neutral decor, ceramic and dark hardwood flooring, and 9-foot ceilings on the main level, as well as large windows for abundant natural lighting, with pot lights providing additional brightness. The incredibly spacious living room features a gas fireplace surrounded by an elegant mantle, and with an openness to the kitchen area and its access to the backyard, these principal rooms offer wonderful year-round entertaining space that conveniently extends to the outdoors during the warm weather months. The kitchen has a clean, modern design and showcases a center island with seating, a pendant light and a stainless steel double undermount sink, crisp white cabinetry with valance lighting and contemporary door and drawer pulls, a backsplash tiled in an arabesque design as well as stone counters, and stainless steel LG appliances including a French door fridge with bottom mount freezer, oven with smooth cooktop, and a built-in dishwasher. Illuminating the breakfast area is a contemporary chandelier, and the sliding door walkout opens to a fully fenced, premium-sized backyard that has garden beds, as well as a large interlocking patio area with plenty of outdoor entertaining space. In addition, the main level also features a sunken mudroom that has a storage closet and access to the single-car garage, which is complemented with driveway parking for 3 vehicles, a double coat closet in the foyer, a powder room, as well as access to the very spacious unfinished lower level, which has a laundry area with front-load washer and dryer. While to the upper level is a gorgeous dark-stained oak hardwood staircase with wrought iron pickets and a Berber runner. The upper level also features 9-foot ceilings and dark hardwood flooring, as well as a bright yet neutral decor with pot lighting in the hallway and master bedroom, while large windows throughout bring in an abundance of natural lighting, especially in the south-facing second and third bedrooms, both which have double closets. Illuminating the hallway and staircase is a contemporary chandelier. The main 4-piece washroom has a ceramic tiled floor and bath area, as well as the convenience of a linen closet right outside its door. And the common area of this level is complete with a niche space at the north end of the hallway that is ideal as a computer or reading area. The master bedroom is quite spacious, has a deep coffered ceiling, a sitting area by its window, as well as a large walk-in closet. While its 5-piece ensuite washroom showcases ceramic finishes throughout, a water closet, a shower area with glass door, a soaker tub, and a wall-to-wall vanity with drop-in basins. A short walk to West Creek Public School, close to public transit, the Altona Forest, Rouge Urban National Park, and the Stafford Forest View Shopping Plaza, as well as within the catchment areas of Frenchman's Bay Public, Dunbarton High, St. Monica Catholic Elementary, and St. Mary Catholic Secondary Schools for their French immersion programs. This home is just a short drive to the Pickering Town Centre Mall, the GO Station, and has easy access to Highway 401, as well as being close to the shopping, entertainment, and waterfront enjoyment of Pickering's beautiful Frenchman's Bay community along Lake Ontario. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 416-704-7448.